Since it's such a nice day outside, I want to test out the air conditioner on my Suburban, see if the compressor engages. I recharged it last year with some more refrigerant, so I want to see if it held. Pretty nice for February. Turn this on. I'll go to AC in a second. You can hear the compressor running. Yeah, it's blowing really cold air. That's good to know. Turn it off. And you'll be able to see that the clutch is no longer engaged. Now I've been running the defroster in this 2010 Jeep Liberty, and the compressor engages when you have defrost on, so I know the compressor is working, but I want to test out the air conditioner in here anyway, so let's start it up. And it does have an exhaust leak, so you'll hear that. Alright, AC. I can hear the engine starting to lug, so that means it's compressor's running. Just shut off. Should start again soon. There it goes. That's cold. That's hot. So that's working. Definitely feel air-conditioned air coming out of there. So that works. And I want to see what we get out of the Cherokee and the H3. Alright, let's go over to AC. Kind of cool, but I hope it's not low on refrigerant. The air conditioner worked really well on this thing last year. Alright, I turned it to defrost, which should start the compressor, and it didn't, so I'm thinking this thing is low on refrigerant. That sucks. Like I said, this air conditioner worked really well last year. And now we'll do the Hummer H3. The compressor on this one is right down there, so that's what we'll be watching for. I just heard it engage. Let's go take a look. It was running.